With keyframe animation, the important thing is to know where you want it to start and when you want it to start. So first off, I'm going to move my block over here. So you'll notice that we've got this timeline on the bottom, and at the moment we are on number 1. And I'm going to tell the computer this is where I want it to start. To do that, I go up to animation up here, and I insert a location, rotation, scale. Now you don't have to do all 3 of these, but it's good just to check everything that's in there. So that means on the first frame, it's in this position. Now the workflow is like this. Firstly, move to the frame that needs to be your end frame, or your next frame. Then move the object, so I move over here. I might also rotate it a little bit, and maybe scale it. So I change the time, move the object, and now I go to Insert, Location, Rotation, Scale again. If I go back to the start, which is this one here, and press play, you'll see the shape automatically go from one side to the other, spinning and getting smaller. Now that's the basics of animating in using keyframes. You can obviously make this more complex, but that's a good first start.